Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create rainbow drop text effect in CapCut PC, or in another word, how you can add the rainbow drop to text, rainbow drop effect to text. Right, so go to media and select a black screen and go to text. Select the bold text. This word version is in means for the text and font style, font size, and color. Font style and size. After done, you are just going to select the clips and right click and create component clip. Go to effect and select distortion video effect. Here, rainbow drop effect. But this is pro effect. You have to join progress to be able to use this effect. You are just going to add the rainbow drop to the track and adjust for the option right here. What color, string, speed, and you can see for the final result like this. So it's cool. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure there are noise in my video.